This is activity 1-2 on page 9, controlling cell layout. We have My Inventory still open. Your manager asked you to make the inventory listing for the Green City chapter of House Salvage easier to view, especially differentiating where each item category begins in the table. You want to eliminate redundant category names since all of the data is sorted into categories. To make the table more attractive, you want to change the text direction so that it fits within the merged cells. Also, a title across the top of the table would help identify the purpose of the table. Your finished document will look like the following example. So you can see they actually have the category names merged instead of repeating it multiple times in that first column. And then they have the text going up the merged cell. So it makes it easier to read and more visually appealing as a table. So number 1, we're going to merge cells in a new row added to the top of the table for a title. So you want to click anywhere into your first row of the table, and you're going to go up to your Layout Contextual tab, and in your Rows and Columns group, you're going to select Insert Above. So this inserts a blank cell at the beginning of our table. And with that row still selected, in your Merge group, you're going to select Merge Cells. And here you're going to type the title, House Salvage Green City Inventory. Then number 2, on page 10, we're going to center align the title text. Make sure that your cursor is still in that cell. And in our alignment group, we're going to select the Center Align button. So remember, you can hover over to get your screen tip to make sure that you're selecting the correct one. So that's that middle alignment button. We're going to click on that, and it's going to center align our text. Now number 3, right align the quantity on hand column. In the quantity on hand column, select all of the numbers. So you can click and drag down if you want. Just go all the way down to the end of the table. And then in our alignment group, we're going to align top right. Okay, so you don't need to do the column header. You can keep that alignment as is, just the numbers in that column. All right, then number 4, we're going to merge each grouping of categories into a single cell and then change the text direction to flow up the left side of the cell. So we want to select all of the appliance cells. So you're going to be repeating this step a few times. So go ahead and select all of appliances. Then in the merge group, you're going to select merge cells. And letter C, you're going to delete all but one instance of appliances. So I can highlight the second one to the last and just delete that. And now we're going to change the text direction of this. We're going to go up to the alignment group and select text direction. And you just want to keep clicking on it until it flows up that left side, just like I have it here. And then we're going to align center. See how much better that looks? Instead of having, 10 instances of appliances, we can see these are all the appliances in this category now. All right, so we're going to go up to our quick access toolbar and save our changes, and we will leave this file open for our next activity.